Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the regional sales manager in Florida for ICT, and just like to introduce ICT. We're a access control and intrusion alarm company built all into one panel, where we manufacture both software and hardware for the access control industry. One of our latest products that we've come out with is our wireless lock. We have our motorized deadbolt, also coming out with a clutch deadbolt, and we have our cartridge mortise lock. In our ICT website, you can actually go to the website and design your own lock. You can design it as white or black, circular, square, handle type, handle color, all the different features within the lock. I'd also like to show our integration with Milestone. This is the Milestone XProtect platform. And what we're doing here is we're actually doing a two-way integration, bidirectional integration with Milestone. So what Milestone XProtect is able to do here is actually able to bring in our ICT platform to be able to see user events, be able to see events, be able to actually unlock doors, to be able to see floor plans, to lay that out, as well as see all the cameras in the XProtect. It's one of our tightest integrations and one of our best partners. So this is our ICT demo kit. It shows our controller, our power supply, our keypad reader, our mullion style slimline reader, as well as our intrusion alarm keypad. All this hardware is manufactured directly by ICT. We also have our GX platform here. What we're showing today is our status page. So here you can see all our user events with camera events tied to them. We have all our events down here, as well as we have a floor plan view, which becomes more of a graphical view for the end user, making it easier to manage. These floor plans are really great because you could drill down into them and actually be able to use all the door controls right from the floor plan itself. So we can lock, unlock latch. We can see camera views, whether it be entry or exit. We can set lockdown status right from here. We can set threat levels, whether it be a school, multifamily property, multifamily or manufacturing plant, anything like that. It should work really well. We can also do parking lot counting. So if we have 200 parking spaces and 201 people want to come in and badge into that parking lot, it's going to deny that last user until somebody exits. Works really well. Last thing I'd like to highlight is our calendar actions. And what calendar actions do is give the end user more flexibility when they're working with the schedules. And it opens up the ability to be able to set a specific event for a specific time without having to remanage those schedules all at once. So we can unlock certain doors for a certain time for a specific event. As soon as that event is over, then we can actually go back to it defaults back to the standard schedule. And those are the highlights of Protege GX. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. Please go to ict.co to find out more about ICT and all the platforms that we're working on.